Parehas kay Manny Pacquiao talaga, ang galawan talaga. Sa footwork, nakuha niya, tapos yung sa power naman sa suntok, nandun. Similar talaga. Similar talaga kay Manny Pacquiao yung galawan niya talaga.
The roar of the pro. Oh! Oh, what a shot! The speed, the power, it's like almost a copy of the same. The angles, the footwork.
You saw a little bit of Pacquiao in him.
Oh, for sure.
There's a jab and a straight from Jover. Good setup with the hook. Bagsak po ang kalabang Hapon.
Big right hand.
Cracking shot. And Jover swinging, throwing everything. And so he
距離あります。
マイティサリクの方が今中央は取っているんですが、この右のフックが返ってきます。さあ、つめる。ちょっと心が折れてるの方がでかいかもしれない。2回目。挑戦のチャンスなんですが、当てません。
Isang Pinoy prospect at undefeated boxer na si Kenneth Jover ang sumisikat at nakikilala na ngayon sa mundo ng boxing dahil sa angking galing at lakas ng kamao nito sa laban at sa malaman ni Pacquiao na estilo at galawan nito na kung saan knockout ang mga kalaban at dahil dito nakuha ang atensyon nila Jerry Peñalosa na may hawak ngayon kay Kenneth Jover na inaasahan na mapapalaban sa isang world title shot sa mga susunod na laban at ayon sa kanyang head coach ay may pagkahawig umano si Kenneth Jover sa galawan ni Manny Pacquiao.
Kenneth Jover kasi ngayon, para siyang Manny Pacquiao talaga, ang galawan talaga yan. May sa footwork, nakuha niya, tapos yung sa power naman sa suntok, nandun. Similar talaga. Similar talaga kay Manny Pacquiao yung galawan niya talaga.
Kaya naman maging si Alex Ariza na dating conditioning coach noon ni Manny Pacquiao ay humanga at nagustuhan si Kenneth Jover dahil sa mala Pacquiao na galawan nito.
The speed, the power, it's like almost a copy of the same thing. The angles, the footwork.
A little bit of Pacquiao in him.
Oh, for sure.
Kaya naman inspired at porsigido si Kenneth Jover sa kanyang bagong conditioning coach na si Alex Ariza.
Dumating sa amin sa team namin si Sir Alex Ariza, isa sa pinaka magaling na conditioning coach with Sir Manny Pacquiao. Alam naman natin 'yon, 'di ba? Kaya talagang sa boxing career ko ngayon, talagang mas lalo pa akong nagpupursige, mas lalo lahat kinukuha ko yung skill na talagang makakatulong sa akin pagdating ng laban talaga.
Samantala si Kenneth Jover ay may undefeated record sa kasalukuyan na 17 wins, 12 knockouts at wala pang talo. May edad na 23, may taas na 5'6", isang southpaw at lumalaban sa bantamweight division at kasalukuyang OPBF bantamweight champion. Samantala bago dumayo at napalaban sa labas ng bansa si Kenneth Jover ay nakaharap niya rito ang undefeated na kapwa Pinoy na si James Pagaling. May ring record itong 8 wins, 5 knockouts. Tunghayan kung paanong pinatulog ng mahimbing ni Kenneth Jover at hospital ang inabot ng kalaban nito.
2019. Oh, malakas yun. 5-time active performer just like Pagaling. High. Kenneth Jover. Oho, ito na. Umatake agad si Jover. Pagaling taking a lot of punishment, but he's holding on. Here comes Jover. He's looking out. Oh! Kenneth Jover cannot crowd. That right jab connecting. You see the contrast in styles. Another left coming from Jover, but he fights out of that. He's found the distance, no doubt about it. Now he's putting the pressure on Jover. Jover fighting. Pagaling's got to go to the body. He's got to slow down Jover. Referee Pocosol. Oh, another right hand connected by Jover. Yung dynamite exploding. Connection there by Pagaling, a right hand to find his range. I think he might have hurt Jover. It was a big right hand that connected. You don't see Jover as active. Looks like on the strength of that one big previous round, he's fighting a little more cautiously in this round. Leading off with the left hand instead of the right jab. Pagaling. Ito. And again, drawing the roar of the pro. Oh! Groggy si Pagaling. Oh, what a shot! Left hand. And Pagaling is down, and he's gone. Oxygen now being administered. Abandoned his right jab. From different angle, we saw that on the mouth.
Panalo si Kenneth Huber via 4th round knockout. Samantala, December 2024, unang sabak ni Kenneth Huber sa bansang Japan na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Japanese boxer na si Tolyo de Canarodo. May ring record ang Hapon na 8 wins, 2 losses at 4 knockouts. Habang si Kenneth Huber ay may malinis na ring record na 12 wins, 7 knockouts. Nakataya sa laban ang interim OPBF Bantamweight belt. Samantala si Kenneth Huber ay former WBC, Asian Continental Bantamweight at WBO Asian Pacific Youth Bantamweight champion. Si Tolyo de Canarodo ay may isang Pinoy nang tinalo na si Eric Polgo. Tinalo via unanimous decision. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay pinakita ng Pinoy ang bagsik ng kamao nito sa Hapon na kung saan hindi nito pinapurma ang Hapon. At pagsimula ng laban ay binakbakan agad dito at tinapos ang Hapon sa unang round.
Llover now takes center of the ring, opens up with the jab. Good straight to the face of Tulio. Definitely got his attention. Good opening sequence to para kay Llover, setting up the momentum. Magandang combinations para rin hindi makaset up yung kalaban niya from Japan. Signs of life from Tulio. Goes for a jab. Another jab from Llover. That is a jab and a straight from Llover. Good setup with the hook. Papasok, and down goes Tulio in the very first round, ladies and gentlemen. Bagsak po ang kalabang Hapon. And that is it. Napakagandang performance po ni Kenneth Llover. Third line ni Tulio. Tulad ng sequence na yan, overhand left. Tapos pinasok niya ng isang hook, tapos pasok.
Panalo si Kenneth Huber via first round technical knockout. Samantala, March 2025 ay muling dumayo at napalaban si Kenneth Huber sa bansang Japan na kung saan isang Hapon na malakas at veterano ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy na si Keita Korehara. May ring record ang Hapon na 19 wins, 8 losses at 16 knockouts. Habang si Kenneth Huber ay may undefeated record na 13 wins, 8 knockouts. Nakataya sa laban ang OPBF Bantamweight belt. Samantala si Keita Korehara ay may 5 Pinoy nang tinalo at ni-knockout. Sina Engelbert Moralde, Ryan Lumakad, Warlito Parenas, Renan Portes at Froilan Saludar tinalo sa pangalawang paghaharap via 8th round TKO.
Dito sa dalawang to ngayon, parang sino na lang yung unang bibigay. Korehara,
Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinatunayan ni Kenneth Huber ang bagsik ng kaliwang kamao nito nang tapusin ng Pinoy at pabagsakin ng 2 beses ang veteranong Hapon. Napanalo si Kenneth Huber via first round technical knockout at napanatili nitong hawak ang OPBF bantamweight belt. Samantala, August 2025 ay muling napalaban si Kenneth Huber na kung saan nakaharap niya rito ang Panamanian boxer, ang veterano at former 2 Division World Champion na si Luis Concepcion. May ring record nitong 40 wins, 11 losses at 29 knockouts, habang si Kenneth Huber ay may undefeated record na 14 wins, 9 knockouts. Samantala, dito nasubukan ang galing, lakas at stamina ni Kenneth Huber dahil matibay din at malawak ang karanasan ni Concepcion sa pakikipagbakbakan sa taas ng ring, lalo't naging 2-time world champion ito. Sa laban ng dalawa ay nagawa nga bugbugin at pabagsakin ng 2 beses ng Pinoy ang veteranong Panamanian boxer.
The size of their physique.
Frame-wise.
Right hand of Jover. And that defense.
Because of age and wear and tear, Kinito.
Well, could be because of those two factors, the age and the wear and tear. He's a road warrior. Concepcion,
who was greeted by a very motivated crowd, and Lover is putting on a show early on. Lover is keeping...
by David Contreras in Mexico. That was a TKO in the 8th round. Because of his experience and also because of his fighting style, look at the way he swung.
Taking it really strong against Luthier.
And look at Concepcion. He's staying right in front of
the size of this battle here.
Now he's making sure that Lever does not create space.
On time, down to 24 seconds. Oh, big right hand by Lever.
And remember, Lever is the south with a towering height advantage.
Oh, good job. He's using his...
around. It's something that Concepcion does not want Lever to do. Standing target.
Yes. With Jerry in 1997, we had to in Korea for him to lose 1 pound. In the meantime, second round.
Preventing him from throwing any punch.
Good combination by Lever.
To take. Lever leading off with the right gyration is working wonders for the leather boy.
And the attack.
Watch the left hand of Lever. He leads off with that right jab, but that devastating could be his killer punch. Once more, the left hand.
And he's tireless. Yeah. He's tireless. He has the energy.
Concepcion taking a lot of punishment here. Now, you notice that his ground.
Yeah, he's trying to make it. Now, Concepcion has to go in deeper, keeping Concepcion at bay.
And he's dizzying Concepcion. That's very clear.
Whoa!
Big right hand.
Cracking shot.
And he's down.
That is considered a knockdown. We have a count. It's 3, 4, it's 6, it's 7.
Red, okay, red.
Lover sensing he could go over it, but time is...
Concepcion, now watch it right here. A beautiful right hand. Flush on the jaw. And Concepcion feeling the effects of that power going, the legs buckled from under him. That right hand, the big one. And Concepcion going down. So he's down, he's been down once.
We'll try again.
Concepcion missing, but look at him go.
Lover is going for it. And Lover swinging, throwing everything. And there's the knockdown. Here's the second. The count is on. 3, 5, 6, 7. But you're right, Kinito. He stands up very quickly.
Well, you know, his only defense is his offense. And he's not moving away. He's trying to fight back. He's still in clear street.
He wants to mix it up, actually. He's getting entangled. Lover throwing everything he has.
And look at Concepcion. He's just wailing away. He's buying time. He's buying time.
Yes. And we are down to 1 and 48. He turns as the referee. Don't do that.
Concepcion, he's throwing punches.
Really red right now.
More punches being unloaded here.
Eyes of Concepcion.
And total demolition job here. Luis Concepcion of Panama.
Age is not on his side. Energy, the venue.
And Jover doing a great job of spinning away.
Fighters warned about their knockout in that particular exchange. Lover, however, quick to attack the body. He's going for a big one here. Concepcion, now defense anymore. He's going out of the ring. The corner of Lover pushes him back.
The lover boy.
Oh, left hand.
And he clipped him with a left hook.
And into the body he goes. And down to the body again. And he goes upstairs. Going down upstairs, and upstairs, and upstairs again.
Concepcion is still coming forward. Lover digging shots to the body now.
Good exchange between the two fighters. Lover trying to in his place, actually.
Concepcion.
Lover looks unscathed, although some punches have hit him. Concepcion stooping down low, and Lover beginning to...
Your opponent. That's actually not legit. What he's doing.
Who? Concepcion?
Yes, I don't think you can. Lover connecting with the left
Good
hand.
combination by Lover. Another one.
And this time he's using his left hand. Concepcion almost out of it.
Concepcion just hanging on.
I can't believe.
And maybe that's what's keeping him on his feet, Kinito. Those veteran smarts.
Oh, without a doubt. But here's Lover.
Trying those short
Yeah.
stabs.
Lover is connecting, but he's got to put more body weight behind his punches.
Or the waist up, for that matter.
Why we are going live on Travel TV in Japan with this coverage.
Whoa!
Now Concepcion moving around the ring.
Drop an ordinary opponent, but Lover, his conditioning... Oh! Good right hand from Concepcion.
Reason looks like the power of Lover
Has faded.
is no longer is potent.
Oh, but the left hand, not really.
Here's that uppercut coming from Concepcion. He's throwing a lot more leather now
Yes.
than Lover. Right hand
And
coming from Concepcion.
the head of Lover
he's
snaps
coming
back.
Left hand coming from Lover. No sting behind that punch.
And Lover must be wondering, why is this guy still standing up?
Concepcion took that punch flush on the jaw, didn't flinch. Might be gassing out here. There's not as much power behind his punches
His
in
corner,
this round as in the previous rounds.
Lover's corner is nearly length of the fight. He stayed within shooting range. He's been throwing punches. Big left hand, right hand on target by
Concepcion
Lover,
is
but
right
not
there.
enough power, as you mentioned.
He's in front of Lover. Scored in the second round and the third round. But since then, Concepcion has survived every assault.
But you know, as you mentioned, this is an acid test. There will be fights like this in the course of a boxer's career. There's a big left hand. Another one. Another one. And another one.
And he's just moving around Concepcion. That's the way he should fight. Turns around, makes himself not an available target.
Big right hand by Concepcion. You know,
No, that's his style. He likes to
when
go
he's
inside.
he throws a lot of leather, mixes it up.
Well, he has a shorter reach. He's a shorter fighter.
You know, Lover could also be affected by the punches of Concepcion, and some of that power has ebbed because of that.
And Concepcion has been able to throw some
Big
nice,
shots as well, yeah.
nifty punches. But it's more, I think it's more his stamina. He needs to be able to...
Ah, that's a cracking left hand. And he goes downstairs.
And Concepcion is still there. But you got to give it to this guy.
And resort here in Manila, in Quezon City, or in Manila, sorry, the Philippines. Sab Sarmenta, Kinito Enson, and to our viewers in Japan, pleasant evening, kumbawa. Here
Round
comes
number 8 now
Concepcion.
underway. He should continue to put pressure and throw those punches at Concepcion. Concepcion is not going to go away easily, as we've said, but he's trying to fight back as best as he can. But he's a come-forward type of fighter. Forces
Are in the 8th.
and Lover knows that
Opened by Concepcion's persistent pressing.
especially after he gets stabbed. You know, it catches his opponents off guard.
Corner of Lover asking him to bore in. Crowd sensing something special.
And Concepcion is staggering around the ring, taking a lot of punishment now.
trying to use the ropes as protection.
The referee is almost close to stopping this fight, and they
And
stop
it's
it.
done.
They stop
It's
the
done.
fight.
And that ends this battle, this main event, King.
Of his punches, the power, and take a look at.
Panalo si Kenneth Huber via 8th round technical knockout. Samantala matapos lang ng 2 buwan, October 2025, ay napalaban agad si Kenneth Huber na ginanap sa bansang Kyrgyzstan na kung saan nakaharap niya rito ang Argentinian boxer na si Luciano Francisco Baldor. May ring record ang Argentinian boxer na 21 wins, 4 losses at 1 knockout, habang si Kenneth Huber ay umakyat ang record sa 15 wins, 10 knockouts at walang talo. Sa laban ng dalawa ay di kinaya ang lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy nang paluhurin nito ang Argentinian boxer.
昴生さんでしたか。もちろんこうやってはい
動きの一つ一つというのか、
はい
関係なくどんどん行くっていうこの気持ち、
倒しに行くそういうことを見ている人がもう本当に VTR とかずーっと
この位置取りもいいんですよね。もうすでに
本当ですね。
ですよね。
この前の足の外側にねところがあるかと思います。これ今そうです。また今度フェイントか上に来ました。はい。今度アッパーカットです。
一番理想やったんですよね。
アルトがカウンター飛び込んでくるラバーの距離をケネス・ラバーが憧れているパッキャオの歴史、アントニオ・マリガリートと100でスーパーウェルターのタイトルを取ってる
8、9
ぐらいは大きな違い、はいはい、左からいきます。
自分が打っての中で相手が打ってきたところにカウンターの左当てましたね。はい、ここから大きく踏み込むこの感じですね。はいはい、良さでもあるんですけど、これ
どこまで感じが出てきてますか。
でもどこかで
おお、右が出ました。今度
教科書に載ってないような、なんで今のとか、今の2からの2-1、この入り方いいですね。
なるほど。そういったところにも憧れているというケネス・ラバーです。ね、左から左を3つ使いながら左だけ使うと静まったところは。さあ、バルドの方は
ずっと一緒なんですけれども、
なかなかこの2人の距離っていうのが変わりません。
スパーリングじゃなくてマスになったりもするし、階級が違うので、憎いということならやっぱりボディ、
今距離あります。ああ、どうした。左伸ばしましたけども、今
まさかの全員不意をつかれましたね。
球が当たったのかなって、その後ちょっとこれですよね、やっぱり左にストレートですよね。
目に入ったんですかね。確かね、これは絶対に。
Panalo si Kenneth Huber via 4th round knockout. Samantala matapos lang ng 2 buwan, December 2025, ay muling napalaban at dumayo si Kenneth Huber sa bansang Japan na kung saan nakaharap niya rito ang Chinese boxer na si Ayate Saeleke. May ring record ang Chinese boxer na 12 wins, 5 knockouts, habang si Kenneth Huber ay nanatiling malinis ang record sa 16 wins, 11 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay walang sagot ang Chinese boxer. Binugbog lang ito at pinabagsak ng 2 beses ng Pinoy ang Chinese boxer.
サウスポー独特の構えから入っていこうとしていますが、今日は相手のアヤティ・サイリクもサウスポーです。ボディーというふうに映っていますか。
そうですね、
はい、
いい選手ですね。
と試合を支配していこうという形で入っているケネス・ラバー、左手、
どこでどう出してくるかですよね。
はい、今はという感じです。
1ラウンドはね、様子見とかでね、こうあると思うんですけど、
はい、なのでちょっと今、ケネス・ラバーの方が煽ってきました。ボディー、
乗ってくるんでね、これだったら。
はい、ちなみに言うとアヤティ・サイリク選手はかつて中国で戦った試合で元日本ユースフェザー級のユースチャンピオンだった花房弘樹選手と戦って引き分けているという、まだこうアヤティ・サイリクの方がボディちょっと効いたかな、少し動きが止まりました。
まだ手出してないですからね。
ですね。出せないのか、ちょっと圧が相当これ強いんですかね。
ここまで出さないと出さないようにしてるとしか言いようがないですけど、ただ相手がパンチを打ってきて、その攻防がある中で
前回の試合はルシアノバルド、アルゼンチンの選手でありましたけれども、左のストレートで一発で目を射抜いて、相手の戦意を喪失させてのノックアウト勝利でした。ボディ一発一つアヤティ・サイリクが返していきました。右からしっかりと、コンビネーションをつなげていきます。
スピードとパワーが共存してますよね。
はい、ボディへ強く打っていきました。相当な圧、これをかけていきます。左フック、ケネスラバー陣営の第1ラウンドの指示ですけれども、攻めのその調子だと、ジャブだボディだフックだともうとにかく、打てるものは打ちなさいというそんな感じですね。はい、INTサイリケの方が今中央は取っているんですが、この右のフックが返ってきます。
いやでも本当に動きだったりとかステップがすごくいいっていう、ケネスラバ選手ですけど、パンチ力もありますね、これ第一さん。ありますね。
さあ詰める、ちょっと心が折れかかっている。
ガードもしからでもパンチ効いてたんでしょうね、これ。
上からでしたよね、畠山さん。
あと1分ありますからね。
さあパー、左ストレート、
ちょっと心が折れてるの方がでかいかもしれない。
2回目、INTサイリにとってもこれタイトル挑戦のチャンスなんですが、当てません。
Panalo si Kenneth Huber by second round knockout. At ngayon ngang darating na June 6, 2026 ay muli natin makikita si Kenneth Huber sa taas ng ring. Makakalaban niya rito ang undefeated American boxer na si Michael Angelete na mereng record na 14 wins, 8 knockouts at wala pang talo. Abangan natin ang bakbakan ng dalawang undefeated fighter. Paki-like and subscribe bilang suporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.